Hello everyone. I'm just getting set up here. Do, 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 do. Don't mind me. Just getting stuff set up. Just getting stuff set up, guys. Give me just a bit. Still getting used to this. Okay. For now, gonna hop back into socials. YouTube. Okay. Sound is working. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Awesome. Okay. All right, let's update this, shall we? Lovable and bolt.new vibe coding. Creating documents to send to Lovable and bolt.new for a couple projects I have. Vibe coding using speech to text. Okay, that's set up. See, guys, let's see. All right. Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to get this going. What happened? What did I do? There we go. Live now, everyone. Exclamation point. Going to do some vibe coding, working on a couple projects that I've got. Heck yeah. Just sending the thing out, everybody. Okay, so we want to head. Okay, here is the link. If anyone's here yet, how are you guys doing? Hope you're having as good a day as I am. Live now, guys, doing some vibe coding. Replace coating with coding. I swear, guys, Apple transcription is not the best. There we go. I think that is enough. Okay. Now, we'll hop back over to Lovable. Heck yeah. And then we want to hop into set up the stage a little bit. So we're hopping over here. There we go. Craft is awesome. It's one of my absolute favorite applications. I'm going to start a new document here. Link sharing app PRD. Purpose: to create a front page that connects all of my separate accounts, similar to Linktree, but with a much better design. Features: icons will appear in a circle on screen that link to various accounts. Unnecessary graphics like borders or underlines, stuff like that, will not appear until half a second after the website is loaded. The icons will appear around the main page, but will circle in near the user's pointer. The user can select icons by using the scroll wheel and select icons by clicking the scroll wheel. There is a bit of text informing the user about this feature if they choose to use it. There is also a page that one of the icons leads to that shows a list of affiliate links with pictures I will provide. Look should be futuristic, using a dark and light blue palette. Everything should give it a cyberpunk or Iron Man type aesthetic. Icons. No, links. Let's ask the assistant. Reformat this for me. Let's see here. Yep, we will stick with that for now. And we'll delete the original. Oopsie daisy. There we go. That's not right. All right. Quick title. Oh, hold on. No wonder that didn't work. There we go. Let's ask the assistant here. Actually, no. We will actually use the actual ChatGPT. Or actually, no. I'm actually going to pull the links right from Cursor. Raycast. cursor. We'll turn this off for now. I'll get back into it later. We'll start with, so we've got YouTube, X, Substack. Okay. This is always fun. This did not turn into a bullet list, so let's fix that. Next. Copy. There's Instagram down. Just copying these from cursor real quick. We're not going to worry about specific. We're not going to worry about specific. Why can I not think of what I'm trying to say? We're not going to worry about specific frameworks or anything like that. I've actually heard that platforms like this do better if you don't mention that. So we'll be able to see that soon. There's the X one. Copy. We'll see how this works. Okay, we got all we needed from this, so we'll close out cursor. And then this still going? This is still going, right? I didn't quit meld, did I? No? What is going on here? Okay. Sorry guys, gotta love the technical difficulties. Just wanted to make sure everything was working as it should. Okay, back to Lovable. Let's see, is there anything else we want to add to this? I don't think so. Oh, actually. What am I... What do you guys think? Always got to be careful when you're having AI rewrite stuff for you. On this page, the other icons will be moved to a sidebar. Not quite here either. Icons will orbit around the main page following the user's pointer. Not quite. Icons will appear around the outskirts of the page, but quickly move to surround the user's pointer. Okay. Let's try it. Heck yeah. See how it works. Copy. There we go. Oh, now that I think about it. Gotta let you guys see what I'm doing. All right. Now, paste this in. What is this? Okay. Let's run it. See how it does. It's got a little chat here. Here we go. It's just going through some of the code right now. It's using Tailwind, which is interesting. This is a pretty simple project to be using Tailwind with. Get a little code thing inside here if you haven't used this before. Huh. Oh, that's fun. Nice. It works. Can you move the icons a little bit closer together? They don't need to be that far from the mouse. Also, once the initial move in towards the mouse happens, they don't need to move any further. It's just to move them closer to the user's mouse. And that's the nice thing about vibe coding. Let's see. I'll help you modify the icon by adjusting the radius. Perfect. Mmm. So a few things that I'm missing or noticing here is the icons are coming off the border of the screen. That's no good. I'm wondering if it's recognizing the pointer inside of the chat bar here. Um, let's see. That looks a little bit better. Could you move the indication of the scroll wheel movement to a slightly more central location and make it a bit bigger? Also, make sure you're adding logic that if the mouse isn't on or isn't in the window, the icons stay in one place or converge on the center, because right now they are going off the edge of the viewport unless it extends further than what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm going to set up. Awesome. So, sweet. Oh, it's moving again. All right. Now, what happens if I click? Let's read what it says here. The scroll wheel instruction is now larger and positioned higher on the screen, and icons will converge on the center of the screen if the mouse leaves the window. That's not what I'm seeing here. Maybe... Oh, there it is. That's fun. Okay. Awesome. Two small changes that I suggest. One, don't start with anything selected in case the mouse moves over one of the icons to select it instead. And then allow the left click to activate any targeted icon, or, like I said in the document, use the scroll wheel click to activate whatever selected. This is always fun. Just playing around with this is always super fun. Do you guys like this kind of stuff? Suppose while it's working on that, I can see here. Not yet. Oh. Okay. Hey, it works. Yeah. Okay, perfect. We'll go back to this, and I genuinely think that's pretty darn good. Let's look at YouTube is fun. TikTok and YouTube. Okay, so we're definitely gonna have to add new icons. But this will definitely work. I'll have to play with this some more. Okay. You guys will have to excuse me. I'm going to be adjusting the view here so you guys might see something. Some changes as I get this set up. Okay. Black screen. Gotta love the black screen. Okay, now for the camera. And there we are again. Now I'm in full screen. I really should have someone come on with me and chat with me while I'm doing this stuff. This is a lot easier that way. Anyway, I'm just getting some stuff set up. I don't want to reveal some of the stuff I'm putting in here. But I can't tell you what we're getting ready to do. There's this new feature that bolt.new has that I'm really excited about. Bolt.new now lets you make mobile apps. It's crazy to me. It says, you guys can't see it, but it says on this website that they're hiring. And you must need to be super smart to get in here. I like that gradient. I'll have to show you guys this website because it's pretty cool. I'm not seeing much change, so let's try a reload. and click sign in. It says it's authenticating. I wonder whether it's authenticating. Well, oh, you know what? I bet I know what's going on. Gosh darn it. So we're going to hop back over to this. And we're going to switch up this. I'm going to open. Knowing some of these, it's just easier to use a different browser. Don't want to show this. So move back to this. Yep, that's exactly what it is. I had to open up a new browser. I'm going to have to fix that later. Try this again. Here we go. Almost ready, guys. Sorry for the wait. That closes, and we are good. Just gotta set up the rest of it. Alright. So there we go. Gotta love it. Excuse me for a moment. I had a notification. Okay, gonna have to take care of that later. Okay. So, are you guys ready for... Are you guys ready for another product document? I've had this idea for a while for a teleprompter for people who are visually impaired. Something that I've been thinking about for a while because I don't use a teleprompter myself. But what's his name? Not Blind Pete. That's another gentleman. Uh, the Blind Surfer. I can't remember if that's his username or not. Anyway, he does radio voice because he's got a really deep, cool voice like this. And he listens to his scripts through headphones. So I'm thinking that that might be a good idea for an app. Something that has just a little bit more features than something like that. Um, so let's head back home, start a new document. Audio teleprompter. Purpose: an app for visually impaired creators or people who have a hard time reading. Features: the user can input a script separated by different lines. The script is then read back to the user line by line or all at once if they prefer. Speech recognition is used to detect when a user has gotten the line correct, but the user can also use words like previous or next to go between lines. In line by line mode. Scripts can be read using live activities so that the camera can be operated in the foreground. Format this better. Make it easier to read and understand. I've got flipping To the Bone on my mind. I've been watching Undertale songs. Style follows respective Android and Apple style guides. With a light and dark theme, and the my gosh, I am a popular person today. Nice. Okay. I just thought of another feature that's kind of important. Scripts can also be imported from other apps or via the share sheet. Okay. Now we're going to do this again. Copy. Hop on over to Zen browser. Gonna click on this shiny thing here. I really do like the gradients that they've gotten here. It adds a very subtle, very nice 3D look. The designers you have working for you, bolt.new, are worth what you pay them. Allows users to type in scripts and then reads it back to them. And then all of this extra information here. And is it going to let me... Just going to hit enter. Alright. Well, let's create a stack blitz then. See. I am not... Oh, is it this? No. I'm not seeing... It says I need a Stack Blitz account. Then when I ask it to, it doesn't make one. Or it doesn't take me there. See if it does it again. Maybe it just needed... Oh, there's an enhanced prompt feature. Build an app that allows users to type in scripts and then reads it back to them aloud. Let's see what it does when I click Enhance Prompt. That's interesting. Wow, this is a lot more detailed than I thought. Okay, let's read through this. Primary objective: develop an accessible teleprompter application specifically designed for visually impaired content creators and individuals with reading difficulties. Core requirements: user interface. Design a clean, high-contrast interface following platform-specific guidelines, material design for Android, human interface guidelines for iOS. Implement both light and dark themes with proper accessibility settings. Enhance voice-over talkback compatibility throughout the app. Script management. Provide multiple input methods. Direct text entry with clear, large font options. Man, this is actually way better than I could have thought of. This is really good. Like, this is really good. Import functionality from other apps. Share sheet integration. Allow script organization with folders and tags. I wouldn't have added that, but that's fine. Enable automatic backup and sync compatibility. Audio playback features. Implement 2 playback modes. Continuous reading, full script, line-by-line reading with customizable pause duration. Allow voice speed and pitch adjustment. Support for multiple languages and accents. Include background noise reduction for speech recognition. Can it even do all of this? This is some really interesting stuff. Well, let's try it out again, see if it... Okay. Oh, we have a chat. It's building! It's building! It's alive! It's alive! Wow, there's a lot here. Good Lord. I gotta take a look at this. I don't know anything about React Native, so this would be a really good learning experience for me as well. Actually, I really am impressed with all of the platforms. There's a whole list of platforms. It looked like it included Next and all kinds of crazy stuff. Let's see. So I've added all, it's all done. Update, npm, create app.label.settings.tsx. Crazy. My gosh, there's a lot here. Holy moly. Right. I need to install Expo Go and scan the QR code. So we're going to get our handy iPad and install Expo Go.
Here's an option from the App Store.
Awesome, awesome. This will be interesting. I wonder if it's included functionality for iPad or not. Might be a bit of a breaker. That's okay though. If need be, I'll open it in split view, or slide over, I mean. Okay. And I think it's working? Not sure. I know nothing of this. This is all new to me. What's it saying here? Oh, hold on. Something just happened. Continue. This is interesting. Oh, wow. This actually looks really good on iPad too. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Holy moly. Okay, uh-oh. The screen does not exist. Go to home screen. Interesting. Settings. Well, it is extremely well designed. Excellent. Uh-oh. Okay. Let me show you guys this, since you're probably wondering what the heck all the rustling is. Come here, you. Oh, you. No, you don't get to make a ruckus and then leave. No, you don't. Oh, oh, fine. Oh, fine. Oh. No. You guys can't see him, but my dog is down there. Everything on the app appears to be working well so far. The design is very good. But when I try to start a new script, it tells me that that page does not exist. Boop. You gotta love it. Guys, this is such an excellent opportunity. This has genuinely taken what would have taken flipping hours and made it flipping minutes. Like, seriously, I will start with this as a baseline. 120%. Alright, if I hit plus, no. Here, can I do, I almost wish I could show you guys my iPad screen a little bit better, because it definitely works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Okay, this is not adding. Let me try. Let me try and open this again. Okay. Clear the app. And again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. While this is loading, let's see. Oh, wow. My gosh, it took so long to load the first time, and now it's already done. Okay. Let's see. Does this give me an error code? No. I'm still getting the "this page doesn't exist" error when I try to create a new script. Could you try to fix that and maybe create a test script so that I can test the rest of the functionality? And building again. Building. Okay. This is very interesting. So, nope. Oh. Okay, it's building again. And it's done again. And okay, is there a way? How do I do this? Because I think it's changing stuff, but I'm not seeing it. So, how do I... Right. How to open up the tool menu in Expo Go. To open up the tool menu, also called the developer menu in Expo Go, shake your device. Got it. There we go. Let's try a quick reload. Allow. No? Let's hop over here. Interesting. This is not quite working out the way I had hoped, but give it a quick reload again. Still nothing here. Still nothing here. I don't think I've got anything else for you guys today. I'll have to explore this a little bit more later. It was very interesting, and I 100% am going to continue working on this because this is really, really good. It literally takes you from 0 to 1 in seconds. It's awesome. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys tonight. I'll continue to work on this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.